Hello guys, I am PK. Welcome to today's session. So guys, in today's session, we are going to discuss about one error which you may encounter during Ansible Tower installation. So let's get started. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more videos related to different cloud technology, Linux administration, VMware administration, DevOps tools, and many more latest technology. So guys, you may encounter insufficient RAM error during Ansible Tower setup. So now the question is that why the error encounter? Basically, as per Ansible document, the minimum 4 GB of RAM is required for Ansible Tower setup. So if your system is lower than 4 GB of RAM, then you may encounter this issue. Guys, now we'll discuss about the resolution plan. Let's see. So guys, this is the system where we're going to install Ansible Tower. Okay, I have already downloaded the Ansible Tower package and I have extracted here. So we'll browse to the directory. Then we'll simply, there is a script called setup.sh we need to run to install the Ansible Tower. Okay, simply we'll run. So now these are the installing Ansible. It will install Ansible and the respective dependency. So the installation, all the things, the preparation step is going on. So it will check means the hardware configurations, the minimum requirement needed for installing Ansible Tower. So now, so it's going on. Yeah. So now guys, if you can see this fatal error, this machine doesn't have sufficient RAM to run Ansible Tower. So if your machine is lower than 4 GB, then you will encounter this error. Okay. So now we'll see how we can resolve these issues. Okay. So in my machine, so only 1 GB of RAM. Okay. So how we can resolve? Simply we need to browse to the Ansible Tower package. Then you will see one roles folder. Just browse to that roles folder. Then if you can see here pre-flight. Okay. So normally it checks the prerequisite. Okay. Then we need to browse to defaults directory. Here you can see the main.yml file. So if you can see here, the required name is 3750. Okay. So now we'll modify this settings to 1024 because my in my system the RAM is 1 GB only. So 1024 MB. Save and wait. So now we'll come out from there. Again we'll run the same script setup.sh. Let's see. So this time it should throw an error. It should not throw an error. So now it is already passed. Okay. So the installation already started. So it is now the task is going on install. So it is enabling the required module. Then it is upgrading the Nginx. So these are the tasks. Okay, the execution is going on. Okay, we'll wait for some time. to finish. Let's pause for a while. So now it is means initializing PostgreSQL as the Ansible Tower using PostgreSQL database. Now it is installing the Tower RPM. What are the RPM is needed for Ansible Tower? It is installing. The installation is going on. Next 2 minutes it will going to complete. So now it is now registering the instance in the database. So the installation got completed successfully without error. So if you can see, there is no error, nothing. So guys, if you face this kind of issues, then you can apply the same fix. Okay, hope you enjoyed the session. Please stay tuned for next videos. Thank you.